Presenting the 2015 Nissan Rogue S. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are power brakes, cruise control, tachometer, power steering, rear view camera, seats front seat type, bucket, warnings and reminders, low fuel level, seatbelt warning sensor, driver and passenger, trip odometer 2 and clock. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.